name lomi Tony Kindi. Me work also one electrician, one time Oilmin. Mr. Inside lo this la team where constructing nuclear STP long head base. Okay, backside long me a collection pit where me blocks in waste long all plus system connect come go inside. Now waste long kitchen coming go inside. All boom la up now. You got two pump where two pump him you go long narbla process long upside narbla tank. This la side waste flow you go out, flow long slow pipes, 100 mil pipe, carry we go upside long narbla section where you got collection tank upside. Okay, upside you can look him collection pit step up. Now waste come out and travel through the line. You can same. Now come go inside lab Biokube process come up inside lab. Backside lo me got triple tank. Me look triple tank. Lo right side 40-foot container row septic tank. Okay, narbla namel container buffer tank. Na narbla you can look sino nandablo post biomax tank. Na one bla liquid tank damlo side polymer tank, polymer system. Lo polymer na side you can look him tupla concrete slab lo damlo you can look him lo collecting waste sludge inside long filter net.